Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, hello. Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. It is, what is today? Today's Thursday, December 24th, 2020. We are edging our way closer and closer to the end of 2020, which I think everybody will be glad to start a new year. So happy Christmas Eve. It is a rainy Christmas. If it was colder, it'd be snowing. I am sure we are going to be getting a lot of rain this evening. So hello everybody out there. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Happy Merry Christmas. Happy everybody. Thanks everybody for watching. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. The more comments, the more thumbs up we get, the more people that this will pop up on their feed and they will see it. So thanks everybody. I just want to take a moment to thank everybody for all of the Christmas Day soup kitchen donations that we've gotten. We really appreciate that, and so will all the people who will be getting meals tomorrow. We will be serving over 350 people tomorrow, something like that. Not 100% sure what it will end up being, but thank you to Family of Ellenville for keeping the list for the last 18 years for us. Thank you to all of the people that helped us. The volunteers that we really didn't have volunteers this year, but the people that brought turkeys and they brought chicken, and a big shout out to Murray's. Murray's donated all of our chicken this year, so we'll be doing chicken and turkey. So thank you everybody. This year is a little bit different. It's going to be a little smaller. The meals are not going to be as large. We are working with family and staff only tomorrow inside the restaurant. And then we have about 19-20 drivers who will be driving the food around, so we'll get out pretty quickly. So thank you to everybody for all of the support this year. Hopefully 2021 will get back to normal and we will be able to feed more people and have more volunteers in-house helping us with everything. So thanks everybody again for everything. I appreciate it. It's not too late to donate. If you go to aromatimebistro.com, on our website, there is a link that you can press and you can still donate. I did get a few more calls today, so I got a couple checks today. Some people walked in with money, so thank you everybody. We do still have gift certificates, gift cards available if you are looking for that last minute gift and you want to come in tonight and pick up a gift card. We are here. Tonight is $9.99 lobster mac and cheese to go, and we also have our $9.99 burgers to go. The restaurant is open, so we have limited tables. I know we have a few reservations ready, but limited tables. So if you would like to dine in with us this evening, please call 647-3000 and make a reservation. If you want to place an order, go ahead and give us a call. We are closed tomorrow, Christmas Day. We are closed. And then we will be back open on Saturday. Saturday and Sunday we open at 3. We will also be doing our $9.99 lobster special Saturday and Sunday to go. And we'll be coming out with our new special on Monday. So today I am going to make a cookies and cream chocolate martini. I am going to use this awesome St. Patrick's cookies and cream liqueur that we just got in. I'm going to be using Trader Vic's chocolate liqueur, and I'm going to be using vodka, the organic vodka. And I have not made this, I'm making this up as I go. And I'm gonna use some creme de cacao. So I have ice in my shaker. I'm going to add an ounce of vodka. I am going to add an ounce of the cookies and cream. And I'm going to add an ounce of the chocolate liqueur. So, and a splash of the creme de cacao, if I can get the chocolate liqueur open. And some creme de cacao. All right, and we're gonna shake this up and see what we came up with. I always like to chill my martini glasses, so I'm gonna dump out the ice. And I'm gonna pour right into here. Let's see how this came out. Ooh, yummy. If you have chocolate, I would top it with a little bit of cacao, just topped, or some shaved chocolate. Oh, is that good? So that is a simple, easy recipe. So the fun thing about making cocktails at home is you can experiment, you can create. That's all I do here at Aroma Thyme. I love to create. A lot of times I don't even use recipes and I just kind of formulate. A martini is about 3 ounces of alcohol. So that's kind of my tester. So usually about 3 ounces go in here. Cheers, everybody. Hope everybody has an awesome Christmas. I don't think I'll be on tomorrow. You never know. Maybe I'll pop on. There'll be lots of people at home, hopefully watching. Hope everybody's being safe. Merry Christmas to everybody. And I will hopefully see everybody soon. And that is it. Cheers, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.